This GDDGCUO XL universal pot lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It's designed to fit 13, 14, and 15-inch pots and pans. This extra-large silicone pot lid is very versatile. It can replace many of your existing frying pan lids. Notice its smart design and practical features. The GDDGCUO XL universal pot lid has a heat-resistant silicone knob. This makes it easy and safe to touch during cooking. The black color looks sleek and modern. Customers will appreciate that it is dishwasher safe. Cleaning is a breeze, and there is no stickiness. This lid could be a star in your cookware collection. For its price, the GDDGCUO XL universal pot lid offers good value. It helps reduce clutter because one lid fits many sizes. This universal pan lid is made with durable materials. It aims to make cooking easier for everyone. Consider this GDDGCUO XL universal pot lid for your kitchen needs. Pros: silicone pot lid, extra large size, replacement lid, frying pan lid, heat-resistant knob. Dishwasher safe, black color, food-grade silicone, tempered glass, easy to grip handle, steam vent, easy to clean, keeps kitchen tidy. Cons: some report fitting issues, quality has mixed reviews, glass may chip or break, handle might get hot, can be a bit heavy, might not seal tightly, glass can fog up, takes up cabinet space. Features: universal pan lid, silicone pot lid, for pots and skillets, replacement pan lid, heat resistant knob, dishwasher safe, black color, tempered glass. This is a universal pan lid made of tempered glass with a black silicone edge. It can fit on 13, 14, and 15-inch pots and pans. The lid has a silicone knob that is heat resistant, so it's safe to touch when cooking. It can be washed in the dishwasher, making it easy to clean. Tempered glass is strong, and if it breaks into small pieces instead of sharp shards, making it safer. This GDDGCUO universal pot lid is a large, black, round replacement lid made of food-grade silicone and tempered glass. It fits 13, 14, and 15-inch pots, pans, and skillets and can be used as a frying pan lid. The lid has a heat-resistant silicone knob, a steam vent, and an easy-to-grip handle. It is also dishwasher safe and designed to help keep your kitchen tidy. However, some users have reported issues with the lid not fitting properly. Mixed quality: the glass potentially chipping or breaking, the handle getting hot, the lid being a bit heavy, not sealing tightly, the glass fogging up, and it taking up cabinet space.